breaking news update. Vijay Mallya has lost the bankruptcy petition amendment. In the UK, a consortium of Indian banks led by the State Bank of India moved a step closer in their attempt to recover debt from loans paid out to Vijay Mallya's now defunct Kingfisher Airlines after the High Court in London upheld an application to amend their bankruptcy petition in favor of waiving their security over the embattled businessman's assets in India. So we're getting in some breaking news, a development on Vijay Mallya's case. He's lost the bankruptcy petition amendment High Court battle in the United Kingdom. In fact, the Chief Insolvencies and Companies Court, that is the ICC in UK, has handed down his judgment in favor of the banks to declare that there is no public policy that prevents a waiver of security rights as argued by Mallya's lawyers. It's a setback to Vijay Mallya. Let me go across to Aishwarya joining us with more details. Aishwarya, what more are you picking up? And what does this mean for Vijay Mallya and a possible extradition soon?
Niranjan, as you just mentioned, Vijay Mallya, for first, has lost the bankruptcy petition amendment in the High Court of the UK, so he has lost that battle. Secondly, a consortium of Indian banks, which was being led by the SBI, that is the State Bank of India, has now moved a step closer in their attempt to recover debt from loans paid out of Vijay Mallya, now defunct Kingfisher Airlines. And this is only after a High Court order, and this High Court is of London we are basically talking about. So what has happened is that the London High Court has now upheld and has basically upheld an application to amend their bankruptcy petition in favor of waiving their security over the embattled businessman's assets in India. So what Vijay Mallya has been saying all through is completely false, because he says something else out in public. But what is happening in the courts is completely opposite to that. He says that he is ready to work with the Indian and then the British government, but when on the fact it remains that he is just not doing anything. He has come out and said that he is going to help or basically he is going to repay the loans, but on ground to the banks, he's not doing anything. He's fighting with the banks, even now as we speak.
Thank you for joining us with those inputs.